Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Tether, USDT, from Bitmart to Trust Wallet. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step. It's straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both your Bitmart account set up and your Trust Wallet app installed on your phone. Trust Wallet is a secure way to hold your crypto, and it's user-friendly for beginners. Oh, and remember, crypto prices can be volatile, so handle your assets with care. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Go to the official Bitmart website or app and enter your credentials. If you haven't enabled two-factor authentication, do that now. It's a must for security in 2025. Step 2. Once logged in, head to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your Tether, USDT, balance. Then, navigate to the Withdraw option. This is usually in the top menu or under your asset details. Step 3. Select Tether, USDT, from the list of cryptocurrencies. Double-check that you're choosing the right network. TRC20 is common for USDT, but confirm what Trust Wallet supports to match it exactly. Mismatches can lead to lost funds. Step 4. Enter your Trust Wallet address. Open your Trust Wallet app, go to the USDT wallet, and copy the address. Paste it into the withdrawal form on Bitmart. Also, enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits, usually around $10 or equivalent. Step 5. Review everything. Check the address, amount, and fees. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify via email, SMS, or 2FA. Once done, your withdrawal request is submitted. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to process. This can take from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Trust Wallet. Once it shows up, you're good to go. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Tether from Bitmart to Trust Wallet in 2025. Always stay safe by using official apps and verifying details. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.